Let's make some delicious spicy garlic lobster on the Nomad grills. About 6 cloves of garlic, parsley, lemon, 3 lobster tails, about 10 ounce each. Cut the spine, just be careful, a little sharp, just to open up that meat. Season it up using my new Chipotle blend. Charcoal nice and hot. Give them a sear about 4 minutes. Meat side, 4 minutes when you flip it. Get a cast iron pan, olive oil, butter, your minced garlic, your parsley, chili flakes. We're gonna start basting the lobster tails. You wanna pull these off once they reach an internal temperature of 140. This way they don't overcook, they're nice and tender and real juicy. These came out absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and give them a go. You can find the full recipe on my website.